So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Today we are going to discuss a topic, future of electric vehicle. Okay. Nowadays we are seeing so many electric vehicles on the road, and people are not much aware about electric vehicles, but they are buying on regular basis. Okay. Because of the transformation of the people or just influence of the people. So some persons are buying electric vehicle, and today we will see the what will be the future of electric vehicles, because some persons are using electric vehicle in a good manner, or some persons are using electric vehicle in a bad manner. Means they have no idea about electric vehicle, they are just using it. Okay. Means they are just purchasing the electric vehicles just because of the cost. Means they just think in the mind, whenever we run this kind of electric vehicle, so our petrol cost will be zero, but it's not an right. So just we are going to discuss a topic, future of electric vehicles. So first of all, you already know that what is electric vehicle. Electric vehicle means those vehicles runs by electricity, so we call electric vehicles. In electric vehicles there are some batteries and motors. Okay. And it will help to run electric vehicles, and there are different types of electric vehicles like tum scooty and electric cars. Okay. Right now means electric vehicle range is very high, means cost is very high, and market demand is also very high, and government is also providing subsidy of electric vehicles right now. Okay. So one by one I will invite every student, so you have to discuss future of electric vehicles. Means you have to tell the advantages of electric vehicles, means what you think about it. First I am inviting Harshit Agrawal. I will invite everyone. Okay. So Harshit, first you will let us know about, means what is electric vehicle and what you see the future of electric vehicles in your manner.
So electric vehicles are those vehicles that is very eco-friendly, and that is run with the battery and some motors, and we don't want any type of petrol in it, and it works with the battery, but we have to charge this. And now I will tell you about the future of electric vehicles and some future of electric vehicles. So I have seen so many futures in electric vehicles, like so many people said that electric vehicles have not powerful, and they can't manage the load. So it's totally wrong. It's their mistake that they purchase very low quality electric vehicle. That if they purchase good vehicles, so it can't so they have no problem. So it is right that in the future all people use electric vehicles because it is good, and it protects our money of petrol. And our government also promoting this because they want to prevent the pollution, that so many diseases that affect the people because of pollution. So if we want to stop the pollution, so electric vehicles are the best thing. Thank you.
Okay. Actually Harshit said that means electric vehicles is in a good way whenever we think about the pollution. Okay. Nowadays we are using some diesel and petrol vehicles and fossil fuels vehicles, so they generate a lot of smoke and a lot of dangerous gases. So it is not means good for our health. Means it's very harmful for our health. So just government also just generating these kind of electric vehicles on regular basis, because in the era of means in 21st century, means we are seeing that means fossil fuels are means not more. Okay. So just we have to upgrade our technology, means we have to upgrade just like fossil fuels to electric vehicles, like solar technology and all. Some you have to listen about hydrogen technology on hydrogen cars and all. Okay. Next I am inviting Ayush Mistry. Please come on the stage. Here it is come, Ayush. So Ayush, what do you think about electric vehicles, and what's your perspective? Just discuss with us.
Yes, sir. I think it would help our country to grow up in the upcoming generations, and we can also decrease the pollution level of India. As we know, India have a lot of pollution because in today's day we burns a lot of firecrackers and a lot of fossil fuel that causes a lot of pollution. So for it, our government develop a new vehicle that is called EV vehicles. It also help us in carrying loads easily without much cost. You can move your things with your low cost. As we know that petrol vehicles use a lot of money, as I think 9 rupees per liter, and EV vehicles only use 2.5 rupees per liter per kilometer. It will help our country to grow up in future. As we know, our country is trying to grow up for the upcoming generations. That all.
So right now, I am going to discuss about the electric vehicles advantages. So I am inviting Manvi. Manvi, please come on the stage. Advantages.
So I am Anvi Shishodia. So there are a lot of advantages of electric vehicles, such as electric vehicles are eco-friendly. So they helps us to decrease the pollution, and it is run by the electricity. So it will not release that much harmful gases, and not release any gas. And more advantages of electric vehicles, like it doesn't produce any type of harm, any type of loud sound. It run very smoothly. And next advantage is like electric vehicle helps, like there are also electric vehicle there are lot of facilities provided, like in scooty we know that um, the sound is also produced, like for music. And also there are a lot of advantage of electric.
Now Manvi discussed about the electric vehicle advantages, just like energy efficiency, maintenance and all. Okay, so sometimes maintenance is low cost of electric vehicles. Now I am inviting Ishika. Please come on the stage. You will let us know about, means nowadays some children and some parents are buying electric scooty for their children. So is it good or bad?
Yes, it is bad because children is not prepared to uh, prepare to uh, prepare to drive a scooty, and it is illegal. Now I am telling about electric vehicles. Electric vehicles is a type of vehicle that run on electricity, and it save our fuel, petroleum and diesel, etc. As you know that fuel take 100 years and more than to become. And it is EV vehicles are eco-friendly, and it run very smooth. It is very useful for us. Thank you.
Okay. Next, I am inviting Yashraj. So please come on the stage. Now you will let us about the electric vehicle disadvantages for children.
So, according to me, there are many disadvantages of electric vehicle because it is because it is not costly, but its durability is not good, and it's only ran for 1 or 2 years. Then it can't it can't repair. And if its battery once damaged, so we have to change the battery of the electric vehicle. And and uh, and electric vehicle damage very fastly because it is not strong, and
and many people can't handle the electric vehicle because they don't know the future of electric vehicle. That's all about my topic.
Okay. Next, actually, I am inviting the two student. Means they have electric vehicle, electric scooty. Means they are using while last year. So they will let you know about. They will let us about. Means is there safe? Means is that scooty is safe? Means is it good for environment? Just you have to say, you have to share your opinions. Just I am inviting Garv and Divyans.
So first of all, good evening everyone. I am a Divyan Shafas from class 9. So I have a electric scooty. So it is good because we don't need any license. uh, we don't need any license from it, and it is good for our environment because it don't release any type of pollution like that petrol vehicles produce. And some people said that electric vehicle take to charge many times, but it's totally wrong because I have seen so many scooty charge 1 to 2 hours. And it is also good for children that if because we can drive this because there are so many types of scooty that's not have to any need to registration, so we can drive without license.
First of all, good evening. So I use electric scooty. Electric scooty is not fully safe because the electric electric scooty for good for environment, and electric give the many functions like bag geyser, etc. and many uses of disadvantage of electric scooty like their batteries is damaged. They are not good.
So Garv wants to say that means sometimes battery is not work in a good way. So Divyans, what do you think about it?
Yes, it is good. It is right or wrong because if you purchase high quality scooty, so you don't you don't have to face this type of problem because they because so many companies provide you guarantee. But if you while low cost, so it's your problem. So and
Actually, I have also listened that means there are lots of type of batteries are available in market in electric vehicles, like some Chinese batteries and some lithium iron batteries. Actually, but in my opinion, and I have listened by some persons also, lithium iron battery is good, and they are just like well means you can use for a long time. But just you are purchasing just some scooties around costing 40 to 50,000, 60,000 or 30,000. Means they provide a just like Chinese battery. So means it will not guarantee, and they also provide some Chinese motors. So it will affect to you indirectly. Actually, I have listened. Okay, you can go. I have listened a case. Actually, one electric scooty was in charging mode and it was burned. Okay, so Paridhi, I am inviting you. You have to tell.
So, good evening to all of you. I am Paridhi, and today I am gonna tell about electric vehicles. So nowadays, people are mostly buying electric scooties because they are durable, and electric scooties does not need any fuels like petrol and diesel. They operate by electrically, and but there are some disadvantages also of electric vehicles, like if you are going somewhere and the way is too long, so sometimes the vehicle get discharged. So you are in an alone unknown place, so you don't get any charging point. But there are some advantages also that like
the electric vehicles does not produce much of the undesirable gases because as they are run by electricity.
Just actually my question was different. Means I had asked about means one electric scooty. I had listened the news and means that was burnt. Okay, I'm inviting Tejal. So Tejal will give the answer of that question. So means in that way. So what? How can we save ourselves? Means that kind of things happen. Okay. Yes. Actually, I have listened the news about some companies. Actually, we cannot tell the name. The companies, just XYZ companies. Means some companies are they are providing very fake kind of motors and just batteries. Sometimes whenever you are driving or running that kind of scooty, so it burn also. Okay, Tejal.
Okay, so hello everyone. I am Tejal Agrawal. So let's begin. So according to me, this happens because sometimes the good quality of battery is also there and vehicle is also nice. But if you are putting your vehicle for a long time for charging, so it happens sometimes like it get heated and it start burning. As sir told that there are some cheap quality charges, so it also affect like that. So there are many things because of that it happens. So I don't know really clearly that what happened, but according to me, this happened because maybe they will be keeping the scooting for a long time for charging.
Yes. Next, I am inviting Samyak and Harshit Yadav both. So just you have to tell the means future of electric vehicles. Actually, we are seeing means electric vehicle is not an bad. Means electric vehicle is good because we have to change our energy resources. So we have to change our means vehicle type. Okay. Actually, I am just asking to you. Means nowadays so many vehicles are running. Means what will happen if electric vehicle come means in fast way. So means what will we do that kind of vehicle? Okay. So you have to tell both of you.
Hello everyone, I am Samyajan from class 8. Today I am gonna give answer of this question. So let's start. So if electric vehicle will come fast, so the first electric vehicles are that type of vehicles in which we don't need of fuel, and it does not pollute the air.
So, as Samyak said about the electric vehicle, so I want to give the answer of a question. So, if the electric vehicle come faster, so it will reduce the fuel vehicle that need fuel to start, and there are so many problems.
So my question is that actually what we will do for that kind of vehicle. हम इस जो vehicles अभी हैं इनके साथ क्या करने वाले हैं? Okay, means how can we reduce that kind of vehicle? Okay.
So, I want to say I don't know proper answer of this question, but we can use that type of vehicle for some things, for only some time, not for all the.
Just like we cannot remove that kind of vehicles permanently, okay, or in a just in a limited time. Just we have to means habit of that kind of electric vehicles. So just we are using electric vehicle as well as we have to use these kind of vehicles. Okay, means when government provide these kind of fossil fuels like petrol and diesel. Okay, okay. Just I am inviting Kush and Divyansh, Kush and Shivansh. Nowadays we are seeing that electric vehicle cost is very high. So what is the reason of that? What is the reason behind that?
Are new, so they are high of cost, and there are less of charging stations for electric vehicles, so they are very high cost.
In India, the electric vehicles is quality is electric vehicle is very high price, and low quality vehicles is low price.
So as we know that the electric vehicles are high as compared to our normal vehicles, because the technology means the used technology is very high and the parts is also very high quality. So that's why the prices of the electric vehicles are high.
So I am agree to Shri and Shivans both that low quality vehicles are cheap and high quality vehicles are high cost.
What will be the future of these vehicles? Just like, okay, I'm inviting Aradhya. So what will be the future of these vehicles? Aradhya, you will let me know.
So as tell that the price of electric vehicle is very high nowadays. So I think because they are newly launched in the market, so for that if they will be of low cost, so people will think these are the cheap thing, we should not buy them. But if they will be of high cost, so it will prove the people that it is a good quality thing and we should use it. So I think that's why the cost is very high, but when they will be used in daily life, so they will be, I think the price will be low and it will be very easy to buy the electric vehicles. And as many of them said that electric vehicles are very good because as they are eco-friendly and they are not using petroleum and etc gases on. So because of that they are very eco-friendly and they are using chargers to charge them. So and as chargers are also present on the petrol pumps, so they can be charged there as well. So that's why I think we should prefer using electric vehicles, and when slowly we will start buying them and many people will use them, so it will become a low price of them.
Yes, actually I agree with all of you, but actually in India there are lots of opportunity in electric vehicle section, but actually there is some disadvantages like just like cost is the major disadvantages of electric vehicle, and government intervention, okay, and actually just charging station means we don't have a proper charging station for electric vehicles, and we have to think about the energy consumption. Actually if we totally dependent on the electric vehicles, so we have to we have to generate more electricity. So how can we generate? So just you have to think about, means government have to think about, means generate the electricity or electricity consumption. Okay, next I am inviting Arnab, Purvi and Siddharth. So you will tell about your points about electric vehicle.
So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, all of you. So, I am Purvi and I am telling about electric vehicles. So, electric vehicles are those vehicles that is run with electric and battery, and there are many types of vehicles like scooter, electric scooty, car, and buses, etc. And there are many benefits of electric scooty like no air pollutions, etc.
Yes, I agree with you that electric vehicles are good for our environment, and they runs on battery. They are good for our environment because they don't produce the smoke, so that petrol and diesel vehicle produce. So our environment will be clean, and they runs on battery. So we on in only 1 or 2 hours. I agree with that the electric scooty is not producing pollution then petrol and diesel vehicles, because it has batteries and it will run on electricity, and we have very advantages of this, like we don't have to fill petrol and diesel, and that's all.
So yeah, but there are many disadvantages, like it is it's green gas and like etc. And there are many benefits. I said that. That's all.